In today's video, I will walk you through how to merge cases in Salesforce. To begin, move to the top area of Salesforce and locate the gear icon used for setup and configuration options. Click on the gear icon to open the available settings menu shown on the screen. After the menu appears, continue by selecting Setup. Salesforce will then open the setup page where different configuration tools and management settings are available. Wait a few moments for the page to finish loading before continuing. Once the setup page opens, move to the search bar available on the left side of the screen. Inside the search field, type case. As the matching setup options appear, continue reviewing the results displayed on the screen. From the available results, continue by locating and selecting Case Merge. Salesforce will then open the Case Merge settings page, where Case Merge configurations can be managed inside the platform. After the Case Merge page loads, continue reviewing the available options shown on the screen. In this example, the next step is to select the Delete option displayed inside the setup area. Once the Delete option has been selected, continue by changing the available settings shown on the page. Review the visible options carefully before moving to the next section. After updating the setting, continue by selecting the available option shown as 4 inside the configuration area. Confirm that the correct option is selected before saving the changes. Once the configuration has been updated, move down through the page and select Save. Salesforce will then begin processing the updated case merge settings connected to the account configuration. Wait a few moments while Salesforce saves the changes and updates the setup configuration. During this process, the page may reload or refresh depending on the account settings and system response time. After the save process finishes, continue reviewing the page to confirm that the updated settings were applied successfully. The updated configuration will remain connected to the case merge setup in Salesforce. The process includes opening the setup page from the gear icon, searching for case settings, opening case merge, selecting the delete option, updating the available configuration, choosing the required option, and saving the completed setup inside Salesforce. If any section takes a few moments to load, wait for Salesforce to finish processing before continuing to the next step. Once the save process is completed successfully and the updated configuration appears on the screen, the process for merging cases in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching.